Hello learner, welcome back to my channel Learn with Krishan. I got a lot of queries that student they got their ID and password, default password from their teacher, from the class teacher or from help desk, and they got confused how to create a new password, because once you will get your ID and password you must have to go through it. So today I will show you how you can sign in your account and how you can create a strong password for your account. So this is the first task which you have to do it. You have to find out the Google Play and you have to open it. Here you can see this is the area where you can search any software or application. Then you have to type Teams here and you have to find out this type of icon will come and click on the install button. So this is the first step which you have to follow, and after installation when you will open you will get the next window. So we will take an example of one of the student, and so finally I will explain you this thing, that how to create a strong password. For example, we have a student and the ID of the student is this 595.suzirajj@nvsonline.in. okay, so you will get it many different name, different IDs, and different school, different IDs will be you will get it from your school. And the Suziraj got a password which is HAD54692. got it? This password, this is the default password which he got it from the school. Now what Suziraj has to do? Immediately Suziraj has to start Microsoft Teams. Okay, you can install in your mobile. When you will install, first time this will ask you to sign in. So what we will do, we will take the Suziraj ID. So what is the Suziraj ID? You can see it is suziraj@nvsonline.in. so we'll try to put it the same thing. So 595.suziraj, okay, again we'll check it, J, right, at nvsonline.in. got it? You all will get your ID. Please enter the same ID in a correct way. Don't put a wrong word. Even a single wrong word will create a problem for you. Again we'll check it, SUJIIRAJJ, SUJIIRAJJ. right? Now you have to click on the next button. When you will click on the next button, first time this will ask you to enter the password. Your password may be student@595. got it? Student@595. okay, but here we got the password is H capital AD54692. so we'll enter the same thing, H capital AD54 AD54 and 692. so I enter this password. got it? And you need not to click on any other option. After writing or typing your correct ID, whatever you got from your teacher, class teacher, subject teacher, help desk, you have to type it and you have to enter the password whatever you received. It may be a student at 595. Click on the sign in option. Now you can see this window you are getting and you are getting confused what to do. So first of all, this is asking your current password. What is your current password? This is your current password. okay, so we'll enter as it is. We will enter HAD, got it, HAD 54692, sorry, HAD 54692. right? So this is password what you got it from your teacher, from school, or from help desk, or from any other source you got it. You have to enter this password and now it is asking new password. Please don't put the same password what you have entered here, you got from school, student at 595, or any other password whatever you got it from the school or from any other source. Now they are asking to enter new password, not an old password, new password. What can be a new password? I will show you how to create some strong password. So you can see there may be a 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, I am just going to show you only 5 strong password. You can have a many password also, no problem. You have to use out of that one password you have to choose. So for example, we will take the person name is Suzy Raj. Okay, so we'll take first letter as a capital letter, second letter, okay, we took from last J, first and last letter we took. Okay, then a special character we added. This is a dollar symbol, it is a special character, as they are a student of JNV, so we given J capital and small v capital. Now you can see this is a combination of small letter, capital letter and a special character. Again one more special character we have added here, and suppose 2021 we will give. So see, this is one example of a strong password. Not only one example, many example can be possible. See, now here we have given J as a capital, and NVS we have given in a small letter, and again J we have given as a capital letter at the rate 2021. Again see one more example. See, Suzy Raj, S, JJ we have given, S first letter, this is last letter, and J and V at 2021. See here you can see this small letter, capital letter and special character and digit. This is a combination of all special character, number and normal character, capital and small letter. So see, some more examples are there. These all the examples are very strong password examples. Got it? We are taking example of Suzy Raj. Your name may be something else, you can use your name, right? And according to your name you can create a strong password which you can remember. Now you can see these are the common example which I have made as a strong password. Now out of these, any of the password I can enter as a new password. So for example, I want to make this is my password. Okay, you can make this your password, you can make this, any of this can be make your password. So I want use this password because I can remember this in a very easy manner. Okay, and it will is strong also. So I will write it here 2021. Okay, I will put capital JNV, and I will put Suzy, SUJI. I will repeat the same password which is 2021. Don't be confused, this password you have selected, you have to put this password second time also. So 2021 at JNV SUJI. Now you can see this password is different whatever we got it from our teachers, from our help desk, and this password which we created as a, after seeing our ID, we created this as strong password. Not only this, you can create your own strong password also with the help of any your pet name or means whatever you are using. Must be careful that there will be a combination of capital and small letter, special character and a number. Okay, it can be any length, the password length can be any length, but let it be up to 8 to 10 character you give, so it can be easy to remember. Now it is okay. Now we will click on the sign in option. Once you will click on the sign in option, you can see you will not get any error. Okay, and in your mobile immediately you will be available on this type of interface. Okay, we are talking about desktop, but you will also get it this type of interface. Right here you will find a option of Teams. You have to click on Teams, and you can see you will get all your classes will be available here. Right, according to timetable you have to click on particular class, and you have to find an option, join option, and you have to click on the join option and you can easily join. So I hope you understood how to create a strong password for yourself. Please remember, this is the default password which is given by school which is given by help desk after resetting your password, and this is your ID which is given by your school. So we have to enter our ID in a very correct manner, carefully manner, and password also after taking the password first time we have to change with this type of some of the strong password. So dear student, I hope you understood, and next time no such queries will come regarding a new password, how to create and what can be our new password. So whatever your name, you can go through your name and you can make a strong password with the combination of number, special character, capital letter and small letter. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if any query is there, you can please type it in a comment box, and please like, share and subscribe, and thank you everybody.